Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best budget tablets that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The TCL Tab 10 is a versatile tablet designed for entertainment, productivity, and seamless connectivity. It features a 10.1-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. The NXTVISION technology enhances the image and video quality in real time, making the tablet ideal for streaming, gaming, and media consumption. Powered by the MediaTek Companio 800T octa-core 5G chipset with a clock speed of 2.4 GHz and 4 GB of RAM, the tablet ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming, and productivity apps. It comes with 32 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 512 GB via a microSD card, offering ample space for apps and media. Running on Android 12, it provides a user-friendly and customizable experience. The device supports 5G connectivity, delivering fast and reliable internet access, along with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS for wireless networking and location-based services. It also includes dual cameras, an 8-megapixel rear camera for photos and a 5-megapixel front camera for video calls. A major strength of this tablet is its 8,000 mAh battery, offering up to 18 hours of usage time on a single charge and up to 50 days of standby time. It also features dual speakers for an immersive audio experience, face unlock for secure access, and blue light reduction to minimize eye strain. Overall, the TCL Tab 10 5G offers a balanced mix of performance, features, and value, making it a great choice for both casual users and those who need a reliable device for work or study. The Lenovo Tab M9 is an affordable and versatile tablet designed for entertainment, casual use, and portability. With a 9-inch HD display 1340 by 800 pixels, it delivers immersive visuals suitable for watching movies, browsing the web, and light gaming. The IPS LCD panel offers a brightness of 400 nits, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor and 3 GB of RAM, the tablet provides smooth performance for general multitasking, app use, and casual gaming. It includes 32 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card, ensuring ample space for apps, files, and media. Running on Android 12, the tablet offers the latest features and security updates, ensuring a modern and secure user experience. The 5,100 mAh battery offers up to 13 hours of video playback, providing long-lasting entertainment without frequent charging. Audio is enhanced by dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, delivering a rich sound experience for movies and music. The 2-megapixel front camera and 8-megapixel rear camera are suitable for video calls, casual photography, and recording. The tablet supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB Type-C for charging and data transfer. It also features facial recognition for secure, easy access. Overall, the Lenovo Tab M9 is a lightweight and portable tablet, making it ideal for users seeking a balance between performance and affordability. It is perfect for students, casual gamers, and media consumers looking for an affordable, capable device for entertainment and everyday tasks. The iPad 10th generation is a powerful, versatile tablet that blends performance, design, and productivity. With a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display offering a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels and True Tone technology, it delivers vibrant visuals and adjusts the white balance for optimal viewing in any lighting condition. The display supports up to 500 nits of brightness, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, the iPad provides fast and efficient performance for multitasking, streaming, gaming, and creativity. It comes in 64 GB and 256 GB storage options, giving users flexibility depending on their needs. Running on iPadOS, it supports a wide range of apps and features designed for both entertainment and productivity. The tablet is equipped with a 12-megapixel wide-angle rear camera capable of 4K video recording and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage for seamless video calls. It also offers up to 10 hours of battery life, ensuring all-day use on Wi-Fi with fast USB-C charging. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 and optional cellular models with 5G support. Additional features include Touch ID for secure access, Apple Pencil second-generation support for creative tasks, and the Magic Keyboard Folio for transforming the iPad into a mini laptop. With stereo speakers, dual microphones, and a sleek lightweight design, the iPad 10th generation is perfect for general tasks, media consumption, and light productivity. It offers a premium experience at a balanced price, making it a great choice for individuals and families alike. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a versatile tablet designed to cater to a wide range of needs, from entertainment to productivity. Featuring an 11-inch high-resolution display with 1200 by 1920 pixels, it delivers sharp and vibrant visuals, ideal for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Powered by a Snapdragon 695 5G processor and 4GB of RAM, it ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks, while the 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, offers ample space for apps, media, and files. A standout feature is its 7040 mAh battery, providing up to 15 hours of usage on a single charge, allowing all-day functionality without frequent recharging. The tablet runs on Android OS, providing access to a wide range of apps, and includes features like quad speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound, multi-window support for enhanced multitasking, and a slim lightweight design for easy portability. The tablet also caters to family use, with Kids Mode providing a safe environment for children, and a dual camera system, 8-megapixel rear, 5-megapixel front, for photos and video calls. Overall, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus offers a solid mix of performance, portability, and family-friendly features, making it an excellent option for those seeking a capable and affordable tablet for varied use. The Surface Go 2 is a highly versatile 2-in-1 device that blends the portability of a tablet with the functionality of a laptop. Designed for those who need a compact lightweight tablet for work, school, or entertainment, it features a 10.5-inch Pixel Sense display with improved resolution and color accuracy, ideal for browsing, media consumption, and productivity tasks. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, ensuring durability. Powered by an Intel Pentium Gold processor and equipped with 4GB of RAM, the tablet is capable of handling everyday tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and streaming. It runs on Windows 10 Home, offering access to the full range of Windows apps. With 64GB of SSD storage, expandable via a microSD card slot, users can store important files and media without worry. One of the standout features of the Surface Go 2 is its built-in kickstand, allowing easy transitions between tablet and laptop modes, especially when paired with the optional signature type cover. This flexibility makes it a great choice for work on the go. Additionally, it offers USB-C connectivity for peripherals and accessories, along with dual front and rear-facing cameras, 5-megapixel and 8-megapixel, for video calls and photography. With up to 10 hours of battery life and optional LTE connectivity, the Surface Go 2 is designed for all-day use, making it ideal for students, professionals, and families seeking a portable high-performing device. Its Windows Hello support adds security with facial recognition, while Dolby Audio enhances the overall media experience.